Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, back from my vacation and ready to do another unboxing video for you. I've got right here Eduard's new 1/48 scale A6M2 Zero Type 21. Guess I'm still on vacation. Alright, let's head to the back. Oh good, you're still watching. So, Eduard and their 1/48 scale Zero. This is Eduard's very first attempt at this subject. This was released fairly recently, but before that they released a limited edition dual combo of this kit called Tora Tora Tora. It was of course focusing entirely on the Zeros used on the Pearl Harbor raid. And then shortly after they released this kit. And this one has a lot more of a range of marking options. It ranges from Pearl Harbor to basically the island hopping campaigns near the end of the war. So you get the option of both medium gray schemes as well as the dark green and gray underside. So let's take a look inside. You'll see very shortly why I love this company. Their plastic parts are molded just beautifully. They put so much care into the details that you can even see the tiny little rivets in the canopies. Now let's take a look at the main plastic parts. So first you've got the top and bottom ends of the wings, and again, rivet detail is exquisite. Come on, there you go. There's barely any need for riveting tools on Eduard kits, especially the newer ones. Here we've got auxiliary pieces like the propeller caps, fuel tanks, wheels, landing gear struts, propeller, a few light bombs. And on the third sprue, some engine parts, cockpit parts as well. Come on. Please forgive my camera's blurriness. What he's trying to show you is the very intricate details of all the interior parts here. And on the last sprue, the main fuselage, the elevators, the engine cowling. And one particular feature on this kit that I thought was very generous of Eduard, they include this jig here so that when you're assembling the engine cowling parts, you have something to hold them in place, so you make sure that they are perfectly aligned and that hopefully you will have no gaps. So those are the plastic parts. We'll get to the instructions later. And here, another reason why I love Eduard, they give you photo etch and canopy masks. Of course, these only come in the Profipack kits. And a great thing about Eduard's photo etch is it's almost entirely pre-painted, so all you gotta do is just glue it on, as painting photo etch can be tricky, especially with acrylic paint. And their canopy masks are die cut. That's worth mentioning because not all kits that come with canopy masks are pre-cut. That'll just make your painting life a lot easier, especially if you airbrush. And we've got the decals here. You can already see there many of the stencils that will go on the aircraft. And they are, of course, in Japanese. What else would they be in? And the Hinomuras, as well as some cockpit decals if you don't feel like using photo etch, and some identification lettering and numbers. And I touched upon this briefly in my Eduard reveal video. These decals are part of Eduard's brand new line of how they make their decals. And about that, you will only find those on Eduard kits that have this gold trim on their box. This means that they have reissued it with their new decals. So when you put these on and add your decal setting solutions, if you do it right and you peel it off carefully, you can take the carrier film right off and it'll literally look like a painted on finish. Now it is a little tricky to do. Maybe sometime in the future I'll do a tutorial on Eduard's new decals, as they are quite divisive in the modeling community, but I personally like them. And lastly, the instruction booklet, all in color. They always give you a brief biography on the aircraft. And Eduard typically uses Mr. Color or Mission Models as their paint callouts. If you use them, great. If not, you can easily convert them online to whatever brand you use. And Eduard's instructions, some parts are color coded for ease of use. You can see the extraordinary detail for yourself. And we'll skip ahead to the end. They give you a map of where to put each canopy mast. And then of course the marking options. As I mentioned before, you get a few all medium gray schemes. You get this one unique medium gray with green camo, as well as the other option for a dark green top and medium green bottom. And at the very back you get a stencils map for the decals. And that's everything. I own this kit personally myself. I've yet to build it, but I really look forward to the day that I will. In conclusion, this is a lovely bit of engineering. I believe that this is the best 1/48 scale Zero out there. Some may say the Tamiya 48 scale Zero is the best one, and I do agree that is a great kit as well. And it's probably better for less experienced modelers. One thing about Eduard is they do tend to lean more towards the experienced modeler. But if you are, or you feel you are ready to take that step, or you've already been there for a long time, I can't say anything wrong about this one. And as I said, I do look forward to building it myself, hopefully very soon. And yeah, you can pick up your copy at Sunward Hobbies, in store or online. So until the next one, adios.